All right, so the second thing that we're gonna start doing is also, in case you forgot, letter, right? You can keep all these presets. If we needed to change them, you can. Orientations, all that stuff, and then we can create, right? So we have our blank, and I can toggle back and forth between uh, these. I don't know how we get the things. So now we're gonna go to. I have a. I'm gonna go File, Place, and then I'm gonna look for a image file uh, to place in there. Right after I place it, I have my selector tool on, and I hold down Shift. I can resize, and it'll keep its dimensions. You want to do that. So this is a raster file. It's a JPEG. Um, what does that mean? That means it's made out of pixels. So if we do Control plus, and I get in close, you can see it's pixelated. So we're gonna try to turn this into vector stuff so we can do some things with it in Illustrator. Uh, so there's different things, right? We could click image trace down here. It's also available somewhere here, right, in the window. But after I click on it, image trace. Oh, you'll notice that I kind of did that. So we might have to think about low fidelity. Pretty neat. Um, Black and white logo. It's not really good for that one. Silhouettes. Still not good. The color isn't line art. We're kind of missing the technical drawing. That's what we did all last semester. Shades of gray. All right, a little better. Three color. High fidelity. Let's go low fidelity. All right, so that's one way that we can kind of, change certain things into vector graphics where it could be, cut out on a machine. So I'm going to do another thing where we're going to place. I'm going to Control Z. Then I'm going to hold Shift down while I do that resizing to keep the dimensions. All right, so same thing, image trace. But now instead of default, maybe we go black and white logo. Control plus. And if you notice, now I have my straight lines. If I click my direct selector, all right, so what we said, place, um, right, then we can do our image trace. We can black and white logo, expand, we can isolate a group, ungroup, make a clipping mask, and then change our fill. Oops. Well, yeah, I guess you could do whatever. Maybe that's red, green, right? Once we have that, I gotta shift and do that. Well, no, this is vector stuff, so it should. All right, then we can start. But now we can start, changing the pattern. We got a different stroke. We got a different fill. I just got to make sure things are selected. And then I can start changing the individual ones as so there's other ways you can rotate, mix, preview, transform controls. Reflect all those things, change the colors. We can do different types of patterns. We can group them. So just some real quick stuff. Try that. Try anything you want. You can do it again with um, place. This would be a little harder to group all these things together. But you can still, if you had some time, you can take